Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite girl, Munnoh. I am back again with another Gele video tutorial. For this video, I'll be recreating this Gele style that I spotted on Onigele. So I am going to be showing you my way of tying this Gele. If this is something you're interested in watching, please stick around and let's recreate this style together. My favorite mannequin is going to be my model for this tutorial. I went ahead to divide the Gele into two equal parts, that is, I am using the ratio 50-50. I placed it on the mannequin head without forming any pleats, and then I went to the back to gather the fabric together, and I am going to cross it at the back. So when you cross it, right hand goes to the left comes to the right. It doesn't matter which one is on top or which one is below. The most important thing is for you to cross it. Okay? Now that that is done, make sure the Gele is sitting pretty on the mannequin head or on your client's head. Make sure it is covering the ears as it should. I am using pins to secure the Gele to the mannequin head because it is a mannequin and I do not have anybody to hold it down for me. In your case, if you're working on a client's head, please ask your client to hold the Gele on the ears, right? So your client places her hands or your assistant holds down the Gele around your client's ears. All right, so moving on, I am going to twist the flaps that were crossed. So I'm going to twist it. You can twist it tightly or loosely, whichever is comfortable for you or whichever works for you. If you ask me, I think this Gele is pretty much self-explanatory, so I might as well just close my mouth and let you watch the video.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
I believe I'm going to be getting questions of how many layers of ashoke I used and how long it is. This particular ashoke that I am using is 90 inches long and it has 5 layers. You can achieve this style using 3 layers and 32 inches of ashoke, right? That is the Owambe size of ashoke. You can achieve this style with it. The only thing is you might not get enough hand to tie it at the back, so in that case you pin properly and it will stay secure on your client's head. Okay, if you made it far into this video and you are not yet a part of this family, please consider subscribing so that you can join this amazing family. When you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. If you are interested in making amazing autogele designs that look like they were hand tied, I am your best plug for that. I'll leave links in the description box to how you can reach me or how you can enroll for my autogele courses. I have beginner and advanced autogele classes, alright? So feel free to use the links to sign up for my courses and you'll be glad you did. If you have any gele style that you are struggling with and you would like me to recreate the style, please send it to me on Instagram. I take the stress of figuring it out for you. You don't have to go through that headache. I'll go through all the stress for you and figure out the easiest way to tie those amazing styles, and then I'll put them here on YouTube so that everybody can benefit from it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed.